We got a new type of Snap-On scaffolding frame here at Southwest Scaffolding, and it's a frame with a ladder attached to the side. It's a walk-through frame with the normal cross brace pins, but off to one side of the cross braces is a built-in ladder, and this is designed to be stacked up, and you can just put this on one end of your scaffolding or wherever you want the ladder to be at, and it matches up with the regular walk-through frames, which these are 3 foot wide by 6 foot 8 tall, and it will provide you a ladder onto that scaffolding platform without having to put in a bolt-on ladder. And there's some advantages to this in that you don't lose the ladders, you don't lose the ladder parts, there's less things that can go wrong, so you don't have bolts that are missing, and you don't have to make sure that the ladder that you bolt on is secure. And so it works pretty well. All you have to do is just stack these types of frames up on one end of your platform right on top of each other.